Hi, I'm Greta. I'm a student specialist at Highland Elementary. I wanted to become a student specialist because I love teaching and I really want to become an elementary teacher when I grow up. Probably my teachers I had in elementary school. I went to Highland. I really loved how they taught and I wanted to be like them. I help with first grade and kindergarten. Come over here for 2 hours, Monday through Thursday, 9:30 to 11:30. I usually pull certain kids to help with their own spelling and reading and writing. I also run different benchmark tests with all the different first graders. My favorite part about being a student specialist is that I get to just come in and be with the kids and just be present with them. I think I'll take flexibility and patience, learning that it's so much more than just grading papers or teaching them. It's more just about responding to each individual kid and what they need throughout the day. There's definitely a difference between going from kindergarten to first grade. There's a lot more base knowledge with first graders that there's different expectations. Like when I'm in a kindergarten classroom, I know they may need more help with certain assignments, while my first graders, I can trust them to do what they need to be doing. Yeah, I just love being at Highland. This is so nice, like thinking like back when I was here in kindergarten, first grade, and now I'm helping kindergartners and first graders. It's like a big loop.
Hi, I'm Tara Jester. I'm a kindergarten teacher at Highland Elementary. Having them to help with the students while I'm working with groups of students, they can also help other groups of students and help them work on things that they need to work on. She helps students work on their station jobs, helps them figure out what they need to do next, and can help anybody who needs additional support. She also can pool students to work on letters or numbers with them and support them in those skills. It's nice to work with the high school students and get to show them kind of what a teacher has to do on a daily basis and get them involved with helping with the students and really seeing them start to show that they are really interested in helping the students as well.
My future plans are to attend Wilson College. I'm committed there for lacrosse and get a bachelor's in early childhood education.